Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this section of the course, we are going to project the cash flow statement. So here we will start by net income. Like I said in the previous section, that net income starts the cash flow statement. So here all we need to do is we will link the net income figure from the income statement. Then we copy that to the right. And on depreciation expense, we leave it blank for now because that will come from the income statement after we've linked from the depreciation schedule. And here we will leave that blank because the changes in working capital items will come from the operating working capital schedule. So we skip that for the time being, and we just copy here like that. And then we can just copy here just like that. And here we can now project CAPEX because the purchase of property, plant and equipment represents capital expenditure. So let's just add a new row on top of dispose of property, plant and equipment. So to add a new row on top, all we need to do is press Alt-H-I-R on our keyboard, and then we can write CAPEX is a percentage of revenue. So our revenue will drive our CAPEX expenditure. So let's just italize that. That is Control I. So let's just compute the CAPEX as a percentage of revenue. So here we divide that by revenue for 2020. So we find revenue for 2020 here, and then we copy that to the right. So here we need to turn these ones into percentages. So to turn these figures that we have computed there, we on your keyboard press Alt-HP and Alt-HP again. So like this. So this is a formula, so it should not be in blue. So let's just turn it into black. So let's just copy that, highlight up to 2027. Then we can on a keyboard Alt-H-FC, and then we apply black just like that. So here we need to project. So here I'm assuming that our CAPEX will grow by 17% throughout, right? So here, so let me just put like 0.7, and then I add a percentage there. So Alt-HP, just like that. And then I copy the formula to the right. And here I'll change this to blue since I've hard coded that. So Alt-HFC, and then I apply the color blue. So here let me just add once more. So I'll just say plus this one. Perfect. So I'll just copy that to the right. And here we have nothing to project on dispose of property, plant and equipment. So let me just copy that to the right. And here let me just say here multiplied by revenue for 2023 to get our CAPEX. So here we now have our CAPEX up to 2027 for XYZ. So for equity issuance, we are seeing that it's 0 throughout, so that will remain blue. And on debt, we will leave this blank because we are going to link from the debt schedule. So all we need to do here is to just copy that to the right, and then we copy here to the right as well. So for now, we have managed to project some of the cash flow statement line items. So now we are going to project depreciation. So we are going, in the next section, we will be looking at depreciation schedule, and then we'll come back and link that into the income statement, and then link into the cash flow statement. So see you in the next section.